This is the Charleroi Lock and Dam project. Located on the Monongahela River about 40 miles southeast of Pittsburgh, it is one of 240 locks across the U.S. that help ships and barges navigate inland rivers. Without them, millions of tons of commodities, everything from iron to corn, would have to travel by train or truck, which costs more and presents big logistical challenges. But life, and with it, business, on America's rivers is changing. For one thing, many of the locks and dams that keep ships running, including the one in Charleroi, are approaching 100 years old, and the cracks are starting to show.
The wear and tear on the equipment, the cost, the electricity, everything that it costs to do a lockage is amplified by the amount of lockages we're going to do to the extra construction. So this equipment's original equipment, and it's just all wear and tear.
This lock and dam facility, like most in the Ohio River system, is used mainly to transport coal to power plants and steel mills. But coal power is being gradually phased out in favor of cleaner and cheaper alternatives, including natural gas-fired electric plants, and the steel industry has suffered a big hit as Chinese demand for steel has fallen.
Rivers in our country are used for diverse commodities, depending on geographically where you're at, what the commodities move. Typically up in here, what historically has been our major product is coal.
That leaves policymakers with a dilemma. America's river infrastructure is old and badly in need of repair, but here in coal country, where most of the oldest locks and dams are, the main thing that's shipped by river, coal, is disappearing. So river logistics companies are diversifying into other cargoes. At the Dunleavy shipyard, Campbell Transportation Company is outfitting its towboats and training drivers so they can transport barges full of liquids used in the petrochemical industry.
We look at the safety protocol and aspects of the boat, from wiring to the construction, and we rebuild the boats back to new type condition that allows us to be competitive in the marketplace and also move liquid tank barges up and down the inland waterway system.
Still, even amid an uncertain future for coal shipping, upgrades to the Ohio River system's locks and dams, including this one here at Charleroi, are forging ahead. For fiscal 2016, Congress approved $405 million for upgrades to the system, the highest annual funding package since 2008. The river transportation industry hopes the improvements will aid the coal industry by minimizing shipping delays and keeping costs low, and that they will entice other shippers, including natural gas producers and grain farmers, to use the rivers more as well.